Guys, so I'm Pam and I have a fun little thing to show you. It is it is pretty fun. Now, I wish it would do other things, but I'm okay with this for now. Okay? So, you want to see some magic? This is so much fun, guys. I could probably sit here and play with this all day, I bet. I mean, not all day, maybe about an hour. Okay. So, you know the style button that, the like if we wanted a different kind of font, image kind of thing going on, we have a copy button. Okay, well, you can copy the style. Well, guess what? Now we can do it with elements. hmm Watch this. And this is new. This is new. It even has a new button. All right. So I'm gonna go through a bunch of them, and you are gonna see the magic. So here we go. This this is an element. So basically, it's just elements in Canva, as far as I can tell. I tried to use my own. I'm like upload clip art, doesn't work. Just elements in Canva so far. That's what I've come across. If anyone else finds something different, beautiful, let me know. Just let a friend know. Okay. But anyways, here we go. So as you can see, I clicked on this and this little thing up here goes, look at the little painter thing. And it says new. So I'm going to go like here. I'm going to copy the art style. Okay. Go down here and I just grabbed just like this apple and we're going to do, and look at the little magic. Magic. Takes a little bit. Takes a little bit. Look. I painted it red. Now, how about we're going to go back. We're going to go back and we are going to turn the crayons into coloring pages. You ready? So, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click the art style. I'm going to go over to these crayons and let's wait. Just doing it. It does take a little bit of time. But I'm going to keep this on so you guys can see it because I felt like the last time I paused because it does take a little bit of time. But you guys, I'm going to show you a couple more that is just freaking amazing. It did it, right? Magic. Okay, next one we're going to go to is, let's see what we can do here. Okay, I'm going to take this, I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go over here, and let's see what it does. It's like I feel like I need some music going. But anyways, let's see what it does. Come on, come on. Okay. I mean, not bad. All right. Ready for the next one? Okay, so I like this Christmas tree. Okay. Now, I am going to show you what it can do to something like this. I mean, I love this too, but watch this. I'm going to go, then we're going to go like that. And it's just thinking. Come on, come on. But I mean, it changed it to this style. Now, is it as vibrant as the other one? No, but it changed it. Okay, now you're like, hey, Pam, do we have to do one at a time like this? No, you can do all kinds. So let's go over here. All right, so we have these. I have this, it's Christmas tree. Now I'm going to go over and I'm just going to go Christmas in the elements. I will know how to spell Christmas. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this one. this one. And then one more. So I click on what style I want, come up here, copy style, and then I am going to highlight. Oh, we'll just do those three right now. And what it should do is turn them into this, like just the black and white. Let's see if it does it. This is so much fun, you guys, and things that you can change up and make things different. Do you see? Do you see this? Do you see this? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and try the other way. Okay. So we have this. We have the gingerbread. Now I am going to go coloring. Actually, coloring Christmas. There we go. All right. So I want to do this one. I'm just going to do three on the bottom. I'm not going to try to. Let's see here. We'll do Santa. And let's do a tree. Okay. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to style, copy art style, and I'm going to highlight all of these. And there we go. There we go. So now what this should do is give them images that look like this. So they'll be colored in. Let's see if they'll be colored in. What do you think? They'll be colored in, right? Yes. Yes, they will. Hopefully. Let's see. This is probably my favorite one. Look how cute that is. People. You gonna have fun? This is gonna be fun. Okay, think about cool things you can do. You're welcome.